If you use X or Twitter every day, switching between accounts quickly can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch X.com or Twitter accounts without constantly logging in and out. This is especially useful if you manage a personal account, a business account, or multiple creator profiles. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the X website and log into your primary account. Once you're inside, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile name and profile icon there. This is the area X uses for account access and switching. Now click on your profile icon. A small menu should appear right above it. In that menu, look for the option that says Add an existing account. This is the key step that lets you connect another X account to the same browser session. Click Add an existing account and then enter the username, email or phone number, along with the password for your actual account. After that, click Log In. Once you do that, X will add the account to your list of connected profiles. If you have more than 2 accounts, you can repeat the same process to add each one. This way, all of your accounts are saved in the same place, and you won't need to sign out every single time you want to change profiles. Now that your accounts are added, switching is easy. Just go back to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon again. A list of all your connected accounts will appear in the pop-up menu. From there, simply click the account you want to use and X will instantly switch to that profile. This is the fastest way to move between accounts if you post on different pages, manage client accounts, or separate your personal and business activity. It keeps everything organized and makes daily use much more efficient. If you don't see the account you want, double check that it was added correctly and that you're signed into the right browser profile. Sometimes using a different browser or clearing saved sessions can help, but if the menu doesn't show all accounts right away, another helpful tip is to make sure you know which account is currently active before you post, reply, or like anything. Since X remembers your connected accounts, it's easy to accidentally use the wrong one if you're moving quickly. A quick glance at the bottom left profile area can help avoid that mistake. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into your main X account, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, choose Add an existing account, sign in to the other account, and then use the same profile menu to switch whenever you need to. That's all it takes. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.